gonna get hit.
Agreed.
I'm waiting for it. I want to get hit though. I want the thrill.
You guys don't have enough distance.
Alright, let's move up.
Am I firing?
Yeah, you're firing. Knocked out.
Hey, withdraw. Withdraw. Hey.
Kyle.
I'm getting inside. Fire when you're ready. So how do you feel with an AK and let me see, 2 gunners? Sorry guys, I can't put this outside or else I'm gonna die, and to be honest,
I'm ready to kick some butt.
Fine, move.
There's no way you're not hit. I hit him once for sure. Shoot on that. Oh, I had how many troubles with my gun?
Oh, battery.
Watch out.
Battery life, boys. So, Alec, how does it feel with a shotgun? Let's see, they resorted to pistols.
You're out, man. You are so out. You got hit like 6 times. Now.
Yeah, Harrison.
One more shot and Brian's gonna
Harrison has used the sniper rifle, the M16, the pistol now. Oh, you have
Oh, grab it.
the chance. How does it feel with an MP5?
Feels awesome. Oh,
Good.
I'm just not running out. Dude, all of my weapons have gone crap on me.
There. I have another Uzi there.
Look at Ryan over there. He's wanting to get his little ass shot. Alec, are you reloading right now? Sorry about it, my camera won't zoom up you guys, but you might be able to see over there.
I'm out.
All right, now.
Ryan is out.
Let's go.
Okay, I surrender. I surrender. You're fine. I surrender.
Get down! Get down! Get down, bro! Get down, Ralph! Put your weapons down! On the ground! Grab his guns! Grab his guns! I got him! Get down!
This is intense airsoft.
Down! Good luck. Good thing because you were out of ammo. Yeah, man. All my guns crapped out on me and we still won. Yeah!
I want my
That's how it was
shotgun.
done, son.
You can have it. It blows.
Da 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 da.
You can have this piece of crap of a gun.
That was awesome. That was great.
Right here, man, right here.
He lost his 2 failing weapons. Still.
2 weapons failed and then
So how did it feel to lose, you guys?
Okay, dude.
How did it
Turn
feel
the
to
camera
lose?
on.
I would have given you my pistol too. I didn't even use it. I didn't even use this pistol.
Your partner.
we can't have our same.
How does it feel to lose?
That's what they said.
How does it feel to lose?
It sucks.
Balls.
Oh wait. I ran out with them. I forgot I had 2 more clips in my back pocket.
Oh man.